Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second part of lecture video on tree diagrams of chapter 7. So we'll talk about circumfix. What is circumfix? Look, we have already noticed that in English only one affix can be attached to a base at one time in English. In unhelpfulness, so we noticed that unfull and ness, there were three affixes, but at one time only one can be attached. If and I mean in certain languages more than one is possible to be attached. For example, in Arabic, I was reading somewhere in Arabic, it is possible to have two suffixes, not suffixes, two affixes can be attached simultaneously. And to a very limited extent, it is possible even in English. I will give you two examples of this just later on. Okay, so I mean, as a routine process, English derivational processes operate by adding no more than one affix to a base. But we will see the exception where material may be added simultaneously at both ends. Okay, material means affixes on both ends, constituting what is sometimes called circumfix. So we call this circumfix, and in English there are very rare such examples. Just like you have seen, left-headed compounds were very rare, and we had just one example. And circumfix in English is also very much rare, and only two examples are there in English. The only plausible candidate for the circumfix in English is NN. There will be a base in between, N as a prefix, N as a suffix. For example, in N-liven, in this word live is the base, N-live, N-liven. Okay, can liven and N-live is there? No, we have just live or N-liven. N-liven means, for example, they okay, I give you example. N-liven, such memories and such memories, we can say live here. No, I let me think of some more better example, but let's think about this one. Embolden, for example. Bold is emboldened to become bold. Enliven, oh yes, the painting of Picasso cause this picture enliven through history, for example. Or embolden is rather easy. This very situation emboldened him. This very situation emboldened him. Bold is just an adjective. Embolden means to become bold, right? Live is just simply live. Enliven means to cause, to make something live. Okay, so these words have been taken from live and bold. So you do not have bolden, you do not have embold, rather you have bold or embolden. That's why this is called an example of circumfix. So compounds with, okay, with this we finished this circumfix, and now the next topic I will just simply be able to introduce it because we don't have enough time, and I know you will be preparing for your final exam, so I don't want to enhance your syllabus a lot. Here you can see the introduction of the last topic that we are going to discuss, compounds within compounds. Oh, it is possible to have various parts within one single compound. Okay, alternately, if I say, if there is a compound, do we have only two words combination as a compound, or we can have more? Yes, we can have more. All the examples so far that I gave you, they were compound means two word combination, right? Like blackboard, White House, or any. But there can be even more. We will see it here. The structure of the words derived by affixation can be presented in tree diagram. We have already seen this. The structure of the words derived by affixation can be represented in tree diagrams. where each branch has at most two branches, maximum two branches. Yes, we have seen. uh, I gave you this picture. We are talking about this picture. Yes, we have seen this. Okay, so in English we can see in each branch there are maximum two, sorry, in each node we have two branches. Why did I mention it here? Because same applies to the compounds. Any compound has just two immediate constituents, two immediate, um, immediately two constituents means just like we said, unfriend is not word. I mean, in recent days, on because of social media, we have this word unfriend, but in previously this was not considered a word, unfriend, right? Okay, if you look at it, I will show you how we can have more than three words in a compound. For example, window oven cleaner. We have various types of ovens. We can have window oven, we can have railing oven, we can have commercial ovens, big ones. We This is about window oven, right? A specific kind of oven which has a window. For example, you might have seen the bread hobs being prepared on a plant. So that is also an oven, but that does not have a window. But the oven you are using at home, it has a window. So this is, your home has window oven, but there is a railing oven for hobs plant, right? So cleaner, it means that there is a bottle in which some liquid is there, so that can clean the ovens easily. So this bottle is used in window oven, not other places. So this is how we have window oven cleaner as a one single compound. There are three words. Okay, so if you look at its structure, can it come like this? Window oven cleaner where there is one node and three branches are coming? No. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot cross it. Otherwise, I wanted just to place a cross on it, that this, it does not happen in English. Rather, in English, it happens like this. Although all three are compounds, sorry, the three words in a compound are nouns. Window is noun, oven is noun, and cleaner is noun. But window oven, they make one compound, window oven. What kind of oven? Window oven, not railing oven. Okay, so this is window oven. This is one compound, and then, so at one point, oven is the head, and left side, window oven is an oven. So this is right-handed compound, right? Window oven. And then when we say window oven cleaner, so it is about cleaner. What kind of cleaner? It's cleaner for cleaning window ovens. So you can see, even though it carries three words, but at one time only one can be attached. With oven, window can be attached, and then with window oven, cleaner can be attached. So at one time only one occurs. So you can think about even more words within one single compound, like car trip. Huh? Car trip. Then you can have example of sightseeing car trip, lovely sightseeing car trip. All these are compounds. Okay, but at one time only one branch will be added. Keep in view this. Thank you very much. With this, we finish our syllabus, we finish our lecture, we finish our lecture video. And all the best for your final exam. The details about final exam, as soon as I get their English version from the department, I will share with you, inshallah, on WhatsApp group. So beside this, if you have any questions related to your final exam or something, you can contact me on WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.